Thokozama Gogo Nomkhulu, due to the number of rituals that we need to do ever since I just came from Angola, the deadline for 5 rand a job is the end of February. We can't proceed with it beyond that because the moti that is used on the ritual is also needed for these other rituals that we need to do. So laba bafuna umsebenzi, guys, this is your opportunity and there's no catch. Your name will never be written somewhere with a hanging case ukuthi if you don't come and show or bring the token of appreciation, then this is what's going to happen. What no. However, I need to emphasize this, guys. It's a must ukuthi it's a person who is not working. If you know very well ukuthi bambelolo tokhonyana, at least you know we call it iskoropo, you know, bambi iskoropo, you know, into encane, you know, don't come. It's not for you. Please, guys, this ritual is for somebody that is staying at home. This is for laba enibathukayo, laba enibabiza ngamagama, enibabiza ukuthi awumahlalela, abojikanelanga. It's for them. It's specially for them. It's not for you who's able to buy yourself a roll on. You are okay. At least you can be able to buy bread. It's not enough, but at least you are okay. Where now you just need to come and you need to pay whatever that you'll be charged. But for this one of 5 rand, it's for people who are not working, male and females. O baba, o mama, o bhuti, o sis, o malume, o malumekazi, o aunties. This is your ritual. Please, guys, don't take chances, because if you think you're going to make me a fool, you are wasting your time. You are the fool, because my ancestors are not stupid. Your ancestors are not stupid. So if you think you're going to come here and say, no, you're not working, and then as we are talking, and then you come up with, yeah, itokhonyana, into engaphela noma yinini. Hello, you are wasting your time. We will give you muti, but that muti will tend to isqhito. It will never work for you, trust me. It will never work for you. Instead, you're going to lose that skoropo job that you are having. So this ritual, guys, let's respect it. The deadline is the end of February. We are not going to do it beyond the end of February. The turnaround is very low, which is okay. Thokozani.